Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss the latest update of the Cardano idea. But guys, before starting this video, I request everybody, if you are new on my channel and if you want to make money with the cryptocurrencies market, so you have to subscribe every news and updates videos about cryptocurrencies. So guys, first of all, if you look the currently price of the Cardano in the market, so now the latest price of the Cardano is 1.46 USD dollar. Now guys, a lot of people also ask me questions about Cardano, that what will be the price of Cardano in August, is there is a possibility that the price will explode in the August. So guys, first of all, if you look the last 1 week period of the Cardano, so the last 1 week period is completely going positive. You can see a positive 11.47%. The changes occurs in the Cardano, and on the other hand, if you look the last 1 day, price changes of the Cardano, so positive 3.92%. The price increased just in the last 1 day. But guys, unfortunately, now the latest situation of the Cardano in the market is going wrong. Just look here, that is the last 1 hour changes. Negative 0.8%, the price decreased just in the last 60 minutes. But that is a temporary. With the passage of time, the price will again explode. So guys, in the August, you can see my friends, in the beginning of August, the Cardano taken a huge pump. And possibilities, my friends, that in the August month, Cardano price will highly increase and they will give you profit. What is your opinion about Cardano right now? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.